What's going on, guys? I'm Davis Diley, and this is how to perform Bulgarian Split Squats.
First, we need to set up a comfortable surface to rest our foot on. Get a bench and find a way to secure a foam roller to its surface. A resistance band usually works just fine. If you're on the shorter side, you may want to use a surface that's a few inches shorter than a bench. Next, pick up the appropriate weight in each hand and establish the correct foot position. Position your front foot far enough away from the bench while resting your back foot on the foam roller as follows. Keep 90% of the weight in your front foot and just 10% in the rear foot at all times throughout the movement. Now you're ready to begin performing repetitions. Perform them as follows. When you're going down, you should feel as though you are sinking your back knee towards the bench. Note the relatively straight shin throughout the entire movement. At the bottom, before you change direction, you should have your knee stacked over your heel. To complete a repetition, focus on driving your foot hard through the ground. You should feel the glute and quadricep of the stance leg working hard. You want to focus on maintaining a good arch in your foot, so perform this exercise barefoot or with shoes that have a very wide toe box that allow for it. Keep your knee driven outward, remaining in line with your foot throughout the entire movement. Finally, make sure your hips and shoulders are square to the wall in front of you the entire time.